Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin with today's announcements. We've made it to Friday, the 24th of April. Great day to be alive, right? You might not have any Zoom sessions today, but why don't you check in with some teachers if you feel like you're falling behind, have some questions, need to get things caught up, clarify some things, etc. Be a great day to do that today. Don't wait until the last minute. Today, we're going to have a quote from John Donne, D-O-N-N-E. It's pronounced Dunn, though. John Donne was a famous English poet, lived during the 17th century, so that means he would have been alive in the 1600s. He went to Oxford University over there across the pond in England, but he wasn't allowed to receive a degree because his religious views didn't match or meet or align to the religious views of the school. And today we continue to have problems with religious persecution and judgment and bias and etc. So I want to read a quote from John Donne from one of his famous poems. Here's what he wrote. "No man is an island, entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main." In other words, Wildcats, what John Donne is saying is that we are interconnected. We are all part of a whole, and what we do impacts others. If you've ever peeled a pomegranate, you know that every seed in that pomegranate affects the shape of every other seed in that given pomegranate. And that's kind of how we are as human beings. Everything we do impacts each other. That's why we're staying home, not just to keep ourselves safe and healthy, but to keep our neighbors safe and healthy, and our neighbor's neighbor, and our neighbor's neighbor's neighbor, etc., on down the line. So, Wildcats, just another way to add value, take care of each other, understand that we are connected and we need to take care of each other. You know we love you. We know we care about you. Have a great day, Wildcats, adding value and staying well. Take care. That's where they went. Doggone it.